$1,500, 3 minutes. I'll break it down right here. Looking at the 5-minute chart here, you see this strong downtrend with this little bit of a retracement to the upside. I'm looking for shorts as I expect the trend to continue to the downside, as this looks like a classic dead cat bounce. Here's an overview of a dead cat bounce pattern. You see in a downtrend a little rise and then continuation back down to the downside. Looking back at the NASDAQ chart, looking for some sort of validation here to confirm my thesis. Now we see that this red candle is breaking down under the 20 EMA and we are under that VRVP node. So I'm looking to find a good short position if it presents itself. This is the hardest part of trading, waiting, believe it or not. So I do decide to put my trade in right under the 20 EMA because that would validate the continuation of downtrend for me. And it did take it. So we're in the market and I did put a stop loss above the VRVP node and 20 EMA, which is the green lines again. Close that stop loss as I'm pretty confident that there's going to be further continuation as we have broke under the next VRVP node. So I put a stop loss in a position where I can't lose. Pretty tight, but if it does reverse, I still leave with a small profit, so this is a comfortable spot to be in. Just looking to break that next VRVP node, and we got 28 seconds till the candle closes. And that's a good sign right there. As we push, now I'm going to remove that stop loss. Looking to close under that large VRVP node where there's a lot of buying and selling. And 3 seconds, and the candle closes right there. That's a beautiful close. So now we closed under the 20 EMA and under the largest VRVP node. This only increased my confidence. Now this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Don't try this at home without proper education and training. Now we're seeing the volume spike up, and this is on a 2-minute time frame, and you see a bearish divergence. So under 20 EMA, volume rising, bearish divergence, under VRVP node. This is a great confluence. So definitely comfortable in the trade, and I actually decide to double my position if it continues down. Not worried that it's gonna reverse, but I'm ready to close it manually. I do draw this little trend line. And some of my second position got filled. And I drew that red line at the bottom for my take profit zone, as that is the last swing low. Ideal spot to take profits. So I'm taking this trade on my phone as I'm catching up with friends. And what job in the world can you do that? That's why I love this so much. So over here, I'm happy with the profit, looking to exit and enjoy the rest of my night. Now you can see 1,555 is the profit on that trade. And looking later, we did get to my price target. I just didn't want to hold the trade as I'm out and I wanted to be in the moment. But I could have scaled out. I could have closed 7 of my contracts and then let 3 run. But again, I didn't want to be on my phone. I just wanted to close it, happy with the profits, move on with my day. Stay tuned for more videos and live streams. Thank you.